Okay, so I'm at the part where we're going to join our first leg on round 5, and I'm just going to place my leg on top of my body. So this is the right side of the body. I'm going to place my leg on top, and I'm going to insert my hook into, and we're working into the stitches on the back side of the leg. I'm going to go through the wrong side of the leg stitch, and then I'm going to go through the right side of the body stitch and complete a single crochet. And then I'm going to do 3 more like that. So go through the wrong side of the leg, right side of the next body stitch, okay, so that should be 4. Okay, so I have 4, and then we're going to do an increase. And then another single crochet 4. And one more increase.